Ito po ang DTF machine namin dito sa Robinsons Naliches. Ako po si Felix Marauda, operator ng machine dito. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit at may 84 meters kaming na-run as of this week. Ito po ang heads. Ito naman ang cupping, 80% pa naman po working ito. Last na napalitan nito, inayos yung heads is last year no October 2023. Head clean tayo. Head clean. Unas ng wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang ink level namin, tama lang. Missing tank na linis every Friday. Ground wire. Ito naman po use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Workload. Weekly consumption. Inventory. Ito naman po nagamit sa powder. Magenta. Black. Cyan. Film. White ink. Yellow. Cleaning solution. Anti-maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.